Hi, good morning, everyone. Today we are starting with .com secrets, and this is the day one of this particular book, .com secrets. We are going to meet up every day at this time to read the chapters of this particular book and discovering things from this particular book and discussing how things are in this book and how you, I, or everyone in the group implementing these things in real life. So that's what we are going to do every day in these videos, in these video sessions. I welcome you all over here, and let's get it started. Right, so as this is day one, and these are going to be just 15 minutes video every day, so there would be a time capping of 15 minutes, and we will be covering everything in 15 minutes only. So as this is day one, so we would be starting with a brief introduction of this particular book, .com secrets, how things are in this book, a little bit brief about the author of the book, a little bit brief about this particular book, about the main ideas in this book, and how this book can help in business, who should read this book, and what kind of change this book can bring in your life. So we are going to discuss all of those things today in this session. Welcome you all over here. Right, so I have prepared little bit notes for myself, and maybe that would help you as well. So let's just get it started, right? About the book. This book basically, the preface is by forward by Dan Kennedy. So you might know Dan Kennedy. Dan Kennedy is an awesome strategy consultant and endorsed by Tony Robbins. So Tony Robbins and Russell Brunson are have very close relationship. So this book is like, I read this book around 2 years back, and this book changed my business. So just sharing my opinion over here. So when I got this book, I had a big transformation in my business. So let's just read about this book, right? This book is teaching all the secrets of digital marketing in just 200 pages, written by Russell Brunson, published in 2015 by Morgan James Publishing, and this is USA Today bestseller book. And let's talk a little bit about the author of this particular book, about Russell Brunson, the man himself. So over the last 19 years, Russell has built a following of over a million entrepreneurs, sold hundreds of thousands of copies of this book, making him a New York Times bestselling author. And he popularized the concept of sales funnel and co-founded the company called ClickFunnels, and that helps tens of thousands of entrepreneurs quickly get their message out to the marketplace. So also, like, I would like to add something from my experience. Along with this, Russell Benson introduced 2CC Club, 2 Comma Club in his program, and 2 Comma Club means people who have achieved 2 Comma Club. That means $1 million of sales using his tools called ClickFunnels. So he awards them with 2CC Club. And at this point of time, as far as I remember, in this year 2021, more than 1,500 people claimed their 2 Comma Club award. So that's about Russell Benson. Yeah, he's an awesome man. So who should read this book? This book, .com Secret, is recommended for business owners who want and need to learn how to use the virtual environment for the growth of their company based on the right strategies, and for professionals who want to enter into the digital marketing area. So I will say this is just a brief. So if I say from my experience, who should this read book? This book is for everyone who wants to do any sort of business. So this is not just for internet world, this is not just for particular funnels, or this is not just for any particular product or type of service. This book is recommended for everyone, no matter whatever you are doing. If you are in professional life, if you work for money, if you earn money, then you need to read this book. And I guarantee, if you implement things from this particular book, then you are surely going to have a transformation in your business or in your professional life. And we would discover those things in later sessions, how these things can add benefits in your personal and professional life, while we'll be reading the book further. So main ideas of the .com secret. So just a brief of the book. So here are the best strategies presented by author Russell Benson for you to develop digital marketing skills and knowledge to lead an organization today. So just some concepts from this book. The importance of having a great a target audience, trying to sell anyone who can become a tiny and frustrating task. Know and define your dream client to know how to attract them, where to find them, and how to serve them. So there's a whole journey of strategies and tools to follow to reach the dream customer who has a good chance of buying your cutting edge products or services. A business can't offer just a single cutting edge service or product. It needs a wider range of offerings to survive. You need to turn all types of traffic, that is potential customers, into traffic you control. The bait that attracts potential customers is a key part of digital marketing strategies. The attractive character created as a tool for promoting your business should virtually be someone whom people can relate to, who has a story, has flaws, and has no neutral opinions on difficult topics. Understand how the five elements that are part of any successful online campaign work: demographics, offer, landing page, source of traffic, and the ad copy. So these are just brief from this book.com secrets, just some of the concepts that we would be learning in the upcoming sessions. So yeah, that's all about today. That would be very short and precise. Just one thing for you: if you are reading this book with me, then in every day we would be discussing a new chapter from this book, right? So I expect before you watch the video, or if you are joining me live in this session, please read the chapter, and then we would be briefing about the chapter and then discussing the things, how things and ideas, how we are implementing, or the people in this Zoom session are implementing things in real life and in their business. So that's all for the day. I think that's all. So have a good day. Bye bye.